How to play Ludo on Messenger with friends. Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how you can easily play the game Ludo on Messenger with your friends. First thing you can do is just open up the Messenger app, and at the search bar you can just search for Ludo Club. Hit enter, or you can just see the suggestions right here. Once you find your game, from people you can select different options. This is just people, but if you just search for Ludo Club, you should be able to find the play button right besides it. If you don't find it this way, then what you can do instead is just go ahead and open any chat. Let's say with this person I want to simply go ahead and start a game of Ludo. I can tap on the plus icon and go to play games. You can find different games here, and you should be able to find Ludo here. If you don't see it here, then in that case you are gonna have to go to Facebook, and then once you open up Facebook you can just go to the gaming section. If you don't have that, then you can go to the search bar and simply search for Ludo Club right here. You will find the game. It will be recommended to you right here on top. Now if you don't find this, then the final thing you can do is go to the settings menu. So simply go ahead and scroll down, go to settings and privacy, go to settings. From here go to tab bar, customize the tab bar, and then on the gaming feed make sure that you pin this. Once you pin the gaming feed, you can just go back to your home screen. You'll find the gaming screen right here on top, so let me just quickly refresh. So I'll just close all of this, open Facebook again, and I'll have the gaming tab. Ludo Club is right here on top. You can just tap on it and start playing with friends. Now just wait for it to load, and you can just invite players and friends to your game. And that's basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.